Hello, I'm in a 2001 Dodge Durango, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. First, you go on the driver's side here, and then we'll go down, and you should find a lever like this. That's like a safety release that you pull. You should feel a little resistance. If for some reason there's no resistance at all, it might already be opened, but otherwise you want to check behind, make sure all these cables, if you can see them, there's one there you can see. You want to make sure everything's tight and connected. So that's released, so we'll go up to the front now. And then most vehicles right around the middle, you'll find a lever, but you can see it's loose now. So, oh, there it is here. So we'll push and pull up. That's it, it's open now. So that's the bottom of the mechanism. And then up here is that hook. So if you're having issues, your hood might be a little out of alignment, just need to center it or put some WD-40 or get some gunk cleaned out of there, or this part. Worst case, you might need to replace a part. These are pretty inexpensive. But I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.